What's going on, guys? Let's take a look at chwy, CHWY. Another great day on this, up $3.74, 4% on the day. So I originally gave a level to watch out for in the Discord, which that link is down in the description box below. But back here, realistically going back about maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks, in the $80 range, it was like $83, $84. You can see here, this channel here, when we started to clear above a lot of this supply, the 10-day moving average, the 20-day moving average, so forth and so forth, we actually had a buy signal here at 82.67. I think my alert came right here on these two channels. It was in between the $83 and $84 range. What we were looking for on that stock was just to head up to the next supply zone. Obviously, with no supply zone ahead of us, we were looking up towards the upper Bollinger Band, possibly this $86 area. I know I did trade this twice intraday, scalped a point and a half, nothing major. However, the fact and the point that I want to make is that when we have a stock that's breaking out over all of the moving averages here, right, we need to give it more room and let these things ride out. Realistically, if we would have just been swinging chwy here for the past couple of weeks, ever since July 19th, that entry price would have been anywhere between that price of $82 and $84, currently sitting at $95. So about 10, 11 points up in just a matter of a couple of weeks. So you can kind of see the power of that. As long as we're riding the short-term moving averages, such as a 5 and the 10-day moving average, it's pretty much our signal, stay along in the stock. When we're swinging, obviously day trading is a little bit different. But reason I want to look at chwy here, 95.25, today's highs. We're busting out of this whole consolidation period here, this whole distribution that we've been doing, realistically going all the way back here to March. We've been trading below this, $95.25 area. Obviously, big green candle today. So could we have an inside bar day tomorrow? Tomorrow is Friday, options expiration, as well as the weekend. Could we start to just trade sideways, maybe put in a new high and then retrace and then, close on an inside bar day? More than likely. However, there could be room for a potential trade, during the day here. Anything over 95.25, this thing has room to stretch. Next supply zone is up at 110. Not saying that we're going to get to 110 in one day, but we do have room possibly get into this $98 channel here. So maybe, 2-3 points, depending on how fast it moves, you want to take your profits. If you do want to swing this, you just know your stop is going to be anything below 91. So that's a 4-point risk. You got to be okay with that if you're going to swing the stock. Because let's say this goes up to $96 and a half, comes back down, closes at 94. Okay, so now you're down $1.25 on your position. And, if you sell out there and we come back down, test support at 91.60 and then ramp back up, well, then realistically you sold when you shouldn't have sold and you could have been profitable and now you're in the red. However, obviously we want to use, any close really below 91.90 as a stop. 89 would probably be max paying, just due to the fact that this is the 10-day moving average here. So you're going to have to stomach that. If you can't stomach that much risk on a swing trade, then maybe intraday trading, on a move that's been, riding up realistically the past couple of weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, maybe you want to take a scalp here, anything over 95.25, see if you can squeeze a point and a half off of it, maybe 2 points. Kind of scale out your position, hold a runner, so forth and so forth. But just thought I would bring up chwy. It looks very, very good. Definitely something that I'm going to keep my eyes on heading into tomorrow's session, which is going to be the 13th of August. Guys, if you did watch the end of this video, please do me a favor, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, drop me a comment, let me know about chwy. If you've been trading it, are you holding it? What do you think about this stock?